Salutations! Welcome to my first developer vlog where I'll show you my attempt at making an isometric gem match game on Devlog. So far, what I've accomplished is developing the board space, which is a 9x9 tile game board with 7 unique base gems and so far 5 special gems, which you get when you match 4, match 5, T-shape match, etc. etc. So for example, if I match these pinks to a match 4, I'll get a special match 4 gem. That one is a horizontal play match style gem. I also have a vertical match style gem. So those are practically the only two I have installed thus far. I believe I have match 5 installed as well. You get the idea. So match 3, match 4. This type of gem match game will be similar to Jewel Twist. It's not like Candy Crush in the sense where you select one and switch, but it's a rotational choice game. So you rotate the 4 within this circle, so you get the idea there. And well, once it matches 3 or more in a pattern, you'll get new gems to fall and replace the gems that were. So I have it designed in a way so far that once you get a match, gem will spawn above and drop to the space. It's not like the typical match 3 where if you match one below, gems above will fall in place, but rather random new gems will spawn in place. So whereas you will have specific techniques or attempts you would want to do to make multiple matches, you really have no control over what will take the space. It could be something useful, it could be a dud, could be more matching gems. It's really random. And that is somewhat intentional because of the type of game I would like it to be upon completion, since I'm making something a bit different from your typical gem match game. So currently my coding thus far, I've gotten all in place as far as 3, 4, and 5. What I'm working on currently is the L-shape and T-shape match 5, where you would get a different type of gem compared to the other gems. So let's say this black will make a T-shape match 5 here. But it hasn't gotten the special gem yet because I haven't programmed the special gem into the coding as yet. I also haven't done anything where the effect of these special gems are activated, since I am waiting to input all the other match effects into the game and then deal with these special effects. So pretty much that's it for the vlog thus far. By this time next week, I'm hoping to have all the matches in place so that the special gems for each type of match 3, 4, 5, L-shape, T-shape, 6 will be in place, and from then we'll work on activating the special gems. So that will be it for this vlog. As you can tell, I'm pretty new to this vlogging experience. So as I progress within the development stage, I'll hope to be able to provide whatever aspects of knowledge I have on developing games in GDevelop, as well as understanding the process of creating code for different aspects of the game. Also, I know my accent will be a bit odd for most people who would come across this video. So I'm hoping to input subtitles as well to make it a bit more viewer friendly. If you can't understand what I'm saying, you'll at least have the subtitles to work with. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you on the next one.